Hey everyone, Wynn here, and welcome back to another science video for summer reading. In this video, we're going to roll this can without touching it. For this experiment, you're going to need an empty aluminum can, a balloon, and your hair. First, let's blow up the balloon. Now you'll want to place your can on a flat surface, like this. And then you're going to want to rub the balloon over your hair like this. Once you've rubbed the balloon for a while, you can then use it to pull the can like this. Why do you think the can moved without being touched? What's happening here is that we're pulling the can using static electricity. Rubbing the balloon on our hair is creating a static buildup, and the can is attracted to it, kind of like the magnets when you push the opposite ends together. It's all about the flow of electrons here. What are some other things that we can move with static electricity? Would it work if the can was still filled with liquid? Could we use something other than a balloon to do the same thing? Share your findings down below in the comments, or create your own post. But don't forget to use the hashtag MyFCPL when you do. That way we can see it too. Keep on exploring and have some fun, and I'll see you next time.